Forgot to put my finger guards on. Lord help me. It's not gonna go anywhere. Hello my sweet friends and welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be doing a centerpiece using this Dollar Tree pumpkin. This Dollar Tree styrofoam comes in a 2-pack. And I got this candlestick from a local thrift store, the SPCA thrift store. It says it was $5, but I think everything was like 75% off, so dirt cheap. I thought about painting it and I was like, you know what? I kind of like the little like digs and stuff in it, making it look a little rustic. So anyway, if this is your first time stopping by, welcome in. My name is Allie, and I like to do crafts, and I also like to cook. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna take my bracelets off because it's already irritating me. I have these left over from the dupe, the basket dupe that I did. I put it on my mom's door. She loved it. You know what? I'm changing up. I'm not gonna use this. You know, I'm gonna go with this instead. And it's not, this isn't going outside, so I'm not concerned. Okay, my sweet friends, I'm gonna get started with the styrofoam. I'm just gonna use this, it's just a steak knife. I keep it in my craft room, and I'm gonna cut that off and place it in the middle of this plate. All right, so I'll put some glue on here. A copious amount. Hopefully I have enough of these. If not, I'll find some filler flowers or something to use. I'm just getting everything trimmed off of this bush. I want it ready for me. All right, so basically all I'm gonna do is gonna take these flowers and I'm gonna go around the edges. Maybe I should cut this down. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to each of these flowers before I place it into the styrofoam. Y'all, let me know where you're watching from. I wanna know what state, what region, if you're from a different country. Forgot to put my finger guards on. Maybe I'll use these. As I'm replaying this to make sure that it's good to go, I just happen to notice you can hear the cicadas outside. They're so loud. And we have old windows. In a few clips from now, I am going to be talking about my health, and no, this is not a health channel. I am not a doctor. I'm just saying. All right, so I got one on each. Kind of what I did. Now I'm going in with the pumpkin. I had to get a snack. I'm trying to do carnivore. I will say this. My triglycerides were at 1,200 plus. That was a wake-up call. I started watching Dr. Ken Berry and his wife Nisha. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Anyway, so I'm not doing like full-blown carnivore. I am doing more of what she's doing, Miss Nisha Berry. She's doing more of like a meat base. I am down 7 pounds, and I just went to the doctor last week. My triglycerides are now at 600 instead of 1,200. Just putting that out there, that's crazy. All right, now my glue pot is nice and hot, so I'm going to carefully, very carefully, put some glue on the bottom part of this pumpkin. I just felt like the glue gun wasn't gonna do it. So I got my spoon over here. There we go. Just gonna hold it here for a few minutes. It's not gonna go anywhere. I think I'm gonna take these leaves that came with this bush, and I'm gonna use it as filler. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Safety first. As I'm placing the filler in, I do turn the object that I'm working with. I'm just looking for holes and filling it in. You can get one of those like Lazy Susans and put, I had one somewhere. Couldn't tell you where it is right now. Probably in the closet. All right, so I am gonna have to come up with some other kind of greenery. You know what, I have these leftover greenery stems from a previous project. Maybe I'll use some of that. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use it all. There's no rhyme or reason what I'm doing. I'm just placing greenery where I see holes. Plus, you know what? It'll give it some length too. Put this longer piece on this side. And then I'm gonna go on the opposite side. Where'd it go? So the next holiday coming up for us is what, Labor Day? Labor Day is what's next. Do y'all have plans for Labor Day? We are actually going to do chicken and ribs and have the family over. We host most of the seasons. If you follow me, you would see, you know, I try to do little short videos of what I do to decorate for whatever holiday is going on. Do y'all have a favorite holiday? Mine used to be Halloween, but now we don't go to parties or anything like that. I love passing out candy, but kids don't come around like they used to. They just don't. You know, all the churches, you know, they have the trunk or treats or whatever. We do a contest at work. But that's kind of fun. But I don't dress up anymore, any of that. I guess that's what happens when you get older. Just don't. And my kids are all grown with their little ones. They're so stinking cute. I love seeing that. I love seeing the kids dressed up. But we are empty nesters. The Hugs and I. We don't have little ones or teens. They're all over the place. Our oldest daughter is in Hawaii. Her husband, our son-in-law, he's in the military, so they are in Hawaii. They were in Missouri, which I have to be honest with you, Missouri is very pretty. I was like shocked at how pretty Missouri is. All right, this one's kind of coming up, out and up. You know what? Maybe I'll just do it on the same here. Oh yeah. Yeah. The glue strings. It's always a battle. Anyway, our youngest daughter lives local, but you know, she's got a life. But she comes when we have stuff going on. We try to send her home with we try to send everybody home with leftovers. We try to convince them to, you know, remember to bring a to-go container so that this way they don't have to cook later on. It's already done. They can just come, sit and enjoy. You know what I think I'm gonna do too? I was just telling my daughter this, my youngest daughter. I was just telling her, I said, I think I'm going to do a craft table, because usually we're just all like, kind of like sitting around just chit-chatting. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun if we could do a craft table? And I haven't decided what yet, but you know, they have those blank canvases at the Dollar Tree. You can get them in like a 2-pack or whatever. And I thought about getting those and just putting a bunch of paints out and just put another table out. And this way everyone can be creative. I think that would be fun. I'm gonna add some of this in there because of the different color greens. But anyway, what do y'all think? Should I do that? Should I do an adult craft table? Make everybody make something? I think that would be fun. I doubt my dad would do it, but I think everybody else would. And I think they would enjoy it. Friends, if you have any ideas for like a adult craft table, please leave them in the comments. I actually really like that. Like something else is gonna come on this side. Don't mind me, just over here checking for holes. All right, this is what I have so far. Now I'm going to attempt to glue it to the candlestick. So I'm gonna move you guys again. All right, so this is what I have. And now I'm gonna put some glue on here and place this like that. I will be adding a generous amount of this glue because I don't want that plate going anywhere. And yes, I totally forgot to get the sticker off first. Oops. Ooh, that stuck almost immediately. So this is it. What do you guys think? Thrift store, Dollar Tree, leftover florals that I had, and a glue gun. Folks, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you would like. Anyway, yeah. Hi, I'm Allie. It's nice to meet you. Don't mind me. I'm just over here eating my chicharrones. I'm gonna hit 3,000 subscribers. I thought for sure I'm just gonna stroke out, I guess. But I'm doing a lot of red meat, bacon, eggs. I do throw in some tomatoes. I like my vegetables, so. Anybody else watch Dr. Ken Berry? I really like him and his wife Nisha. They seem like super sweet people. And I feel like they've been kind of going through it. Like, I don't know, like with the whole like moving, the arson, all the things. It's terrible. People are awful. Not all people.